guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Welcome. Notary Educators with Kimmi. How's it going? How is it going? Welcome. I'm trying to charge my phone. All right, there we go. Yes, I had a few minutes today, so I said, let's do this. Let's talk. What's going on in these notary streets? For those of you who may be brand new to the channel, I am Kimmi, #1 notary educator. That's because I actually teach you how to be a notary. Yes, I do. I don't really like my lighting over here, but I was trying to drink my coffee. Let's see. I guess it's clear. Yeah. So anyway, yes, I teach notaries nationwide how to gain the confidence that they need to actually make money with their commission. A lot of you have your commission and you're not doing anything with it. Nothing. And that breaks my heart because I know you spent a lot of money on getting it. You have your supplies, you have your toner, your print, and paper and everything, and you just kind of give up. And I don't want you to give up. When I was first starting out, I didn't have anyone to share information with me about the notary business. I had one person who tried, and he knew I had my commission. He was like, well, what are you doing with it? I'm like, nothing. He's like, why aren't you doing anything with your commission? I'm looking because I really want a little bit better lighting. Oh, you know what? What if I sit over there? Hold on. Let me see. Can I move this and get us a little more lighting? Just a little bit more. Let's see. Is the light better here? Let's see. Yeah, it's about the same, actually. It's about the same. So anyway, I wanted to share some tips with you on how to start the business, how to gain the confidence that is needed in order to run your business effectively. Again, a lot of you have your commissions and everything, but you still lack in the confidence. And I understand that it can be overwhelming. You know, a lot of people are, I want to see the documents. But it's not a requirement for you to see every single notary document, every single document. It's not even possible for you to see every single document. My light keeps changing. That is really irritating me. Hold on. That is really irritating me, guys. I'm sorry. Hello, welcome. I think we're going to sit over there because the lighting over here is not that great. And it's getting on my nerves. There you go. That's a clear. Hold on. Let me get my coffee. I'm coming back. I wanted my coffee. All right. There we go. That's much better. Let me sit down here. And let's let this up a little bit so we can get comfortable. Yeah, that's much better, the lighting. Okay. So anyway, like I was saying, I want to infuse in you some confidence. Because when I started this business, I didn't really have anyone to share information with me. And that can be frustrating. You're starting out, you hear about all the money that can be made, and you're like, well, I don't know what to do. What are my next steps, right? So I want to share what I would recommend if I were starting out today. And if I had someone, this is what I recommend to people. And I wish I had someone to share these details with me. I really wanted to drink my coffee. So let's see. So starting out, of course, I would say watch a few of my videos here. It'll give you a nice overview of the business, right? Then the next thing I say is once you look at some videos and you're like, you know what, I really do want to do this. I want to get my share of the pie, the notary pie that's out there. Then I'm going to recommend that you get your notary commission. You can go right to your state, Secretary of State typically, and get your commission. Most of the time it's under $100, okay? Then from there, I'm going to have you double back to me. And then at that point, I'm going to have you get your Start Your Notary Business book, okay? Start Your Notary Business book. It's in all states. Every state has their own book. And the reason I want you to have the book is because, again, now you've watched some videos, you've gotten your commission. Now you're like, what do I really do? I got the commission, now what? This is going to go over some basic tips, this book. What is general notary work? That way you can know what you're getting to. What is remote notary? Your basic journal needs. It's going to cover everything you need. Then from there, my next step is going to be for you to double back again, notary educators, and let's get you properly trained, okay? Once you receive the knowledge of how to properly notarize and you learn what an acknowledgement is, what is your jurat, how does that play into your business when it comes to documents? Now you're building your confidence. And once you build your confidence, now we're ready to go next level. Then we can start fixing our Google business page. Then we can start signing up with signing companies, right? A lot of times we go out, we buy all the bells and whistles, and then we don't know what to do with them. That's like someone that has all the fanciest cookware. All the fancy cookware. You name it, they got it. Name brand this, name brand that, but they don't know how to cook. No one's ever taught them how to cook. So you got all the supplies. Or a doctor, he goes out and buy the fanciest stethoscope, right? He got a nice white shiny jacket. It's clean. He got everything he needs. Everything got his name on it, but he still don't know what to do. He still doesn't know how to be a doctor. And that's what happens in this notary space a lot. You get excited, you find a YouTuber, and you watch everything, and it's like, I'm going to be a notary. I'm going to make $100,000 a year too. I'm going to make that money. And you can. You really can. You got to work for it. So let's talk about what does $100,000 a year look like in real terms, okay? It means at least $335 a day. Can you make $335 a day as a notary? You can. I'm going to show you how right quick. That means you're going to do like a power of attorney maybe. Hey, welcome. A power of attorney at a hospital. A loan signing, maybe throw some field inspection in there. So yeah, you can make $300 a day. You can. Now, to be to really get that money, what you have to do is be willing to travel a little bit. Travel outside your area. If you're trying to wait for all the loan signings or general notary work to happen right in your neighborhood, you will starve. You will starve. Now, if you're willing to drive a little bit, drive to Atlanta. I'm in Georgia, so you drive to Atlanta a little bit. Willing to go out on the outskirts, maybe the rural areas. People need notaries all day long. All day long, they're looking for notaries. If I told you, if I had $1 for every time somebody said, I couldn't find a notary. So notary work is still out there. It's just that you need to know how to get it. You need to know what to do. So I teach nationwide. Yes, I'm physically standing here, located in Georgia. But in our community, and I'll tell you a little bit about that, we have notaries nationwide. The hugest is Georgia's first, and then Texas would be our second largest group of notaries. Huge Texan population. So, but you need to also be around like-minded people. That's where the community comes in. Our community is just that. It helps you when you're trying to figure out, well, what should I do for my business name? What should my logo look like? If you actually get an assignment and you don't know how to complete it, once you've taken the trainings, because there is included 16 different trainings, it might be 17.